Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be trying this thing that I saw on TikTok, so here you go. Do you have a mask? Are you kidding me? I'll go in.
You have mask?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Don't tell me you have it.
I don't have one either!
No way!
Now we have to go back and get masks. Do you want to just run there? Do you want to run there?
No, ask him.
Masks are $2 here. I could run back if you want.
Let's ask the first.
Okay. Alright guys, me and Mohammed are really tired, but we're going to get some water. What time is it? Like, is it midnight?
No, it's I think 11:40.
11:40?
No, 11.
I like how I want to get monetized, but I'm doing so many things that I feel like YouTube is going to be like iffy about.
Yeah.
Like me talking about hookah and weed and kind of swearing. But you know, my vlogs are just starting out, so I'm okay to do that. Right, YouTube? This is bullshit. Just called the guy to come tow my truck so that I can go get it fixed. He says he's gonna be here in an hour, and that was 8 minutes ago. 42 minutes left to go, I think. 52 minutes. I have another 40 minutes left. Hooray. I'm gonna call my sister and tell her what happened. Yo. I guess what I'm doing right now. Sitting in the middle of the road.
You're what?
I'm in the middle of the road. My car broke down.
Where are you?
In the middle of the road. Fuck you, Sadie. I'm kidding, I love you.
Why did it break down?
Some dickhead tried racing me. A cop just showed up and he's putting flares around my car so that nobody hits me. This has been a crazy day today. I was supposed to go bowling too. Mohammed just called me and asked where I am. And I told him where I'm at and then I broken down. So you should be arriving any moment now. Hello, old guy. Dude, is that Mohammed? Hey, what's up?
What's up? Police put this here?
Yeah, the police put this here so that nobody would like hit me or anything or something. Okay, you ready? Like, just be like surprised, like. Alright, we got the thumbnail.
It's off again. It's off again.
You turned off again?
Yeah. Stupid. Wow. Okay. So for now, I'll try to just do some little Mickey Mouse shit. Go to AutoZone, give me that part, I'll install it for you tomorrow. Say gas, cable, attachment, bracket.
My video is recommended.
Back home, huh?
Oh yeah. Guys, they brought his Mustang back from the other night. Anyways, yeah, he's getting it back today. Guys, we're picking up Mohammed from work. We also picked me up from work as well.
Here we go.
So put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song, everybody come.
Dude, you were like the star of my vlogs. You know that? You're in like a whole bunch of them.
The star.
Yeah. Balls.